Hello everyone, today I will share with you Rubik's Cube 3 cube pattern. First you have to understand the notation. If this is our front face and this is the top, R, R dash, R2, R2 dash, U, U dash, U2, U2 dash, L, L dash, L2, L2 dash, D, D, D dash, D2 or D2 dash, B, this is actually B, B dash or B dash, B2, B2 dash. This is complete Rubik's Cube. This is 2x2 block, 2x2 block actually in Rubik's Cube, and this is the destination of our task. Single 1x1 block and 2x2 block and finally 3x3 block. This is 3 cube pattern or cube in a cube in a cube pattern. Today I will do this pattern. Okay, we take this. This is our front face, right, top, left and bottom. You can take it as yourself, as your choice. So let's start. F, L, F, U dash, R, U, F2, L2, U dash, L dash, B, D dash, B dash, L2, U. This is 2x2 block cube in 3x3 cube, cube in cube. Now we will do the final step like this. So start B2, B2, R dash, D, R, D dash, R dash, D, R, U, R dash, D dash, R, D, R dash, D dash, R, U dash, and finally B2. This is our destination. 1x1 cube block in 2x2 cube block and finally 3x3 cube block. This is awesome 3 cube pattern in Rubik's Cube. If we just rotate, then we will find another 3 cube pattern in the opposite direction. And if we want to solve this, we have to rotate this. Our 3x3 cube pattern was like this, and if we want to solve this, we have to just rotate this and we will find another 3x3 cube pattern. And now we are solving this. First we solve this corner point 1x1 block. So do the step B2, B2, R dash, D, R, D dash R dash D R U R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R U dash B 2. Then we solve this corner point and we find 2 by 2 block again. Now we solve this F L F U dash R U F2 L2 U dash L dash B D dash B dash L2 U. Then we solve this. Thanks for watching. Like the video, like our Facebook page, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel.